Today on Rust Valley Restorers, we're restoring a Strider bike for a 3-year-old. I'm kidding, I'm a dad, I love my daughter, and we got this Strider bike about 2 months ago, and it's been well loved, which is fine. I like used and all those sorts of things because we got a really good deal on it, but it's really beat up. So today I'm gonna be using the skills that I've learned through almost a decade of working on stuff, and we're gonna see if we can't make this thing way better than it even was when it was brand new. So follow along, let's dive in. The first step is going to be to disassemble the bike. So let's do that. Well, this is taking way longer than I thought it would, so I think we're gonna go ahead and time-lapse this bad boy. Here we go. So now we've shot it up with a couple coats of paint. We're gonna let it dry, see how it goes. I think I may have applied the second coat a little bit too early, so we might have to start over, which kind of sucks. But anyways, this is where we're at. We're gonna let it dry and come back to it in a couple days when the paint has fully dried. Okay, now we've allowed the paint to dry for about 24 hours. Obviously, new shirt. What are we doing? Are you excited about your bike?
Uh-huh. I love to tell you why.
Do you? Do you like the new color of your bike?
I can ride it.
You want to go ride it?
Uh-huh. I did you ask me like outside?
Yeah. Are you ready, spaghetti?
Uh-huh.
Giant. Well, I would say it's been a rousing success. So we'll wrap this video up here. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you very, very soon. Wait.
I'm going to do something to my bike.
Now we'll wrap this video.